You know, a guy had spent time painting these lines on the road. The least you can do is acknowledge them.
I can't see at night without my driving glasses. Can you get them for me? They're in my suitcase.
Glasses? You mean you can look even weirder? I'll go get them for you. Okay, this is dangerous.
Oh, stop it! You're doing that on purpose.
Okay, what do we got here? Ugly sweater, stupid jeans. Oh, what do you need a bra for?
Are you kidding?
Police! Well, if only someone had told you to drive better. What are you doing? Don't try to fool this guy into thinking you're a girl. It's not good.
License and registration.
Oh, gosh, officer, did I do something wrong?
I caught you doing 23 miles above the limit. And before you feed me some sob story, you should know, I don't let people off, ever. Because I believe in the law. Without law, we're like animals. Animals with cars. So let's cut to the chase. Constance.
Connie. Call me Connie. Officer Barrett.
It's, Dennis.
Hi, Dennis.
Are you kidding me? Dennis? Hey, excuse me. She was knowingly speeding, and now she's playing you.
Is he your boyfriend, Connie?
God, no.
Are you playing me, Connie?
Well, if I'm gonna obey my own honesty policy, I'm gonna have to say yes.
See, she's playing you.
I like your policy. Almost as much as your smile. But, like I said, I make a stop, I write a ticket. Why don't you ask me what the ticket's for, Connie?
What's the ticket for, Dennis?
It's for him. He's not wearing a seatbelt.